withdrawn the matter. Section 9 application is withdrawn. All contentions of both the parties are kept open. They will be agitated before either the arbitral tribunal or wherever the matter goes in courts. Their contentions, our contentions are open. Whatever the amount which we have deposited also will be invested in a fixed deposit. It will remain pending.
That is 1
crore and 40 lakhs and all. The amount which we have paid to them under the orders is also subjected to further order. So it is not a payment to them as such. It is all interim arrangement which will be subject to further orders. They have given an offer to hand over the plant. Council has called for an emergency meeting tomorrow where all the councillors will decide. They will also seek guidance of the appropriate agencies and they will take a decision. What decision they will take, I don't know. But their offer is also, the court has said that it is subject to whatever the council decision amount. The arrangement will be there. This arrangement will continue for 7 more days and thereafter parties will be free. See, after 7 days if we want to that some other agency should run it or these people only should run it, then whatever it is all open.
Yeah,
we'll take appropriate decisions.
Basically MMC has to take a decision.
MMC will take the decision. Now their prayer has become infectious because they came forward that they don't want that order now. So their prayer becomes infectious. Now everything will be decided by municipality.